Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Watchwire News. Today we're talking about some incredible deals on MagSafe chargers from LISEN. First up, we've got a 2-in-1 MagSafe charger that's normally $26, but can be yours for just $12.77 right now. That's an amazing $13 off the usual price, and it's one of the lowest prices we've seen for this product. This charger is super convenient because it comes with both a built-in MagSafe charger and a pull-out puck specifically for your Apple Watch. And if you happen to have AirPods in your daily carry, you can even use the main base to charge them up. The design of this charger is also really smart. It's foldable, making it perfect for travel, and the extendable watch charger can act as a stand, so you can prop up your phone on a desk or nightstand. Now I know what you're thinking. How does this compare to other chargers out there? Well, when we checked prices earlier, this one was already sitting at $18. But with our promo code FQGZSRJ4, you can get an extra $5 off, bringing the total down to just $12.77. And if you're a Prime member, you won't have to pay any shipping fees either. But that's not all. We've also got a great deal on LISEN's 57W retractable USB-C car charger. Normally priced at $25, it can be yours for just $17.50 right now. This one's a real winner because it comes with 3 charging ports: Type-C, USB-A, and an additional Type-C port. That means you can charge up your phone, watch, and AirPods all from the same charger. So, if you're in the market for some new MagSafe chargers or just want to upgrade your car charging setup, be sure to check out these deals on LISEN's website. And don't forget to use those promo codes. They can really save you some cash. Thanks for watching Watchwire News, and we'll catch you all in the next video.